Good morning everyone. In previous video we talked about agriculture and factors which affect agriculture. Now in this video we will talk about the types of agriculture. But before discussing the types of agriculture, we want to revise the previous video's content. India is a land of farmers. 75% of population of India is engaged in agriculture. Agriculture is primary activity. The word agriculture is derived from Latin language. Agriculture is the main occupation in India. Now we will talk about factors affect agriculture. First factor which affect agriculture is climate. Climate affects agriculture badly. Favorable climate helps farmer to get high production, whereas bad weather spoils its production. Second factor is soil. Soil is the second factor which affects agriculture. Fertility in soil helps the farmer to get good production. When the fertility of soil decreases, the production of farmer also decreases. Third factor is economic factor. For buying good products, farmer needs machine, good seeds, fertilizer for the good production. And for buying all these things, farmer needs money. Due to poverty, he is not able to buy all the things. So he needs support which he gets from bank in the form of loan. But sometimes farmer is unable to repay the loan also. Fourth factor is relief factor. Land is the main factor of production. The land which is used for production is known as arable land. The land which is used for production is known as arable land. Now we will talk about the types of farming. First farming is subsistence farming. In this farming, farmers' whole family works together in the field. It is mainly practiced to meet the need of farmer. Due to poverty, every member of the family works in the field, smaller to bigger, younger to elder. Everybody works in the field together. Because of poverty, they use little chemical, little manure, low technology in the farming. Due to poverty, they can't afford labors. That's why they work together in the farm. Now we will talk about shifting cultivation. In this shifting cultivation, farmer clears the land by burning bushes. This is known as stubble burning also. After cultivation, stubble remains in the land. Small bushes remain in the land. For clearing these bushes, farmer burn these bushes. When farmer starts practicing these things for 2 or 3 years continuously, soil started losing its fertility. Farmer also shades or cuts the forest for the cultivation. And these both things reduces the fertility of soil. Cutting of the forest and burning of the bushes both affect the land badly and its fertility reduces. Sometimes land becomes unproductive. When land becomes unproductive, farmer shifts from one place to another place. Farmer shifts from one forest to another forest or part of the forest. This method is called slash and burn method. Stubble burning affects the environment also. Due to stubble burning, global warming is increasing. And for stopping this, government started imposing fines and penalties on the stubble burners. But still this practice is going on, and farmers are clearing the land by cutting the forest and burning the bushes. They know it affects the environment badly. Still this practice is going on. Now we will talk about nomadic heredity. Nomadic is a tribe who lives together and moves together from one place to another place in search of subsistence. According to their need, they leave the place. According to their need, they live in the place. They never stay on one place. They start roaming here and there in the search of subsistence. People moves in search of pasture for their domesticated animals. Sometimes they live in the highlands, high hills, and sometimes they live on the lowlands for the pasture for their domesticated animals, which is known as nomadic hereditors. According to their need, according to the weather, according to the bushes, they shift from one place to another place. Now we will talk about sedentary farming. People used to move from one place to another place as food gatherer, hunter, or shifting cultivation. When farmer learns to maintain the soil fertility, they settle down on one place. Still, they not learn, they not settle yet. They shift from one place to another place. When they learn how to maintain the soil fertility, they remain settled on one place and live there for whole life. That is called sedentary farming. Till they will not get the land, or they will not learn how to maintain the soil fertility, they start moving from one place to another place in the search of fertility of the land for the high production. Thank you. Have a nice day.